sunlight mix.
Is it a line stretched out at the back?
Yeah. Like the ones at the back, Max?
Oh, look, that's a lovely one, that big one at the back.
Nice full stomach. So it's a male impala that they've had.
Is it?
Yeah, so a fairly decent meal for all of them.
The horns, you see
Yeah,
there?
the horns. Still a bit of meat on the head there, the little ones have got. Come back on these ones. Oh. Don't need to move, Tommy.
I love that one that's on its back, absolutely. Stuffed.
Stomach's nice and full on the back, so that
Right.
you'll find they'll roll over quite often when they've got a full stomach, so that the meat moves around, the enzymes can get to all the food in the stomach, and it gets digested more quickly. If they stay in one spot, all the food will fall to one side and they'll get indigestion.
Oh, sorry.
You don't want them to think you're going to steal their food.
Are you aware that we're here?
Oh, they're fully aware that we're here, and they can see exactly how many people are on the back of the car. You often hear people tell you the reason you don't stand up is so you don't break the silhouette of the vehicle. In this sort of instance, when you're this close, they can see you individually. Standing up is an aggressive move. It's not about breaking the silhouette of the vehicle. You're making yourself look bigger, you're making yourself look more threatening.
To them.
Yeah.
Look at this one here now. Look,
No,
that's
it's
lovely.
not a problem. Everybody does it once in a while. Very easy to forget. Now, when it comes to eating, it's every lion for itself, whatever size they are. They share to the extent that as long as there's space for them all, they can eat. But when it gets down to these last scraps, these cubs are going to fight with each other. That's why that one hasn't gone in there. They can actually give each other some quite serious cuts and scratches fighting over the last few scraps of the meat. Even the adult lions fight over the last scrap. They can be so full, like these two lionesses at the back there. It's just they want a scrap, they'll fight for it. Work together the entire time, the rest of the time. Very possessive over the front of the kill. There, Michael? Yeah, there's a little bit left. Keep coming. Lots of lightning over there. As long as it's over there and not here, it's fine.
True.
Usually if it's in that direction, it'll pass us without getting us wet.